Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will show you how to make an easy chocolate mousse cake, so keep watching. This is a really easy recipe to make. Just get an empty juice carton or milk carton and 5 ingredients. Add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder and 100 grams of sugar. If you're new on this channel, welcome, and if you love to know more about baking, be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notification for weekly updates. Add 4 teaspoons of water to a bowl and 2 teaspoons of gelatin, then set it aside. Add 2 cups of milk, but add it gradually so you won't have lumps in it. Once you're done adding the milk, cook the mixture on medium heat. Keep stirring it. Once it begins to boil, add the chocolate, that is 90 grams of dark chocolate. Once the chocolate is completely melted, add in the gelatin mixture to it, then keep stirring it. After stirring for a minute, remove it from the heat. So cut out the top of the juice or milk carton. Pour the mixture into it, then refrigerate for 2 to 3 hours. After 3 hours, your chocolate dessert is ready. Gently try to remove it from the carton. You can use the scissors to try to open it. You can sprinkle some cocoa powder and coconut on it. Then cut and serve. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If yes, make sure to like, share, and leave a comment. Thank you. You can also check out this no-bake chocolate cake without gelatin.